कित्याक आमी हे झूज अगेन्स्ट 39A ते काबार जावची ना. कित्याक काबार जावची ना कित्याक हो सेक्शन काडला कित्याक सद्याक आमचे भांडकुले गोंयांत जागो उलो ना. जे सेटलमेंट झोन जी आहा ती ऑलमोस्ट काबार जालो आहा. सो उरली कितें आमचे न्हंयो, आमचो दोंगर, आमची शेतां. आतां हे जे उरली ते यूज करपाक फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट पर्पज ताका लागून हे 39A काडलो आहा. कित्याक तेंच उरलो आहा सद्याक आतां देखून हे 39A काडलो आहा. सो हिंगा आतां आमी सगळे झुजताय आनी प्रोटेस्ट करीत आसताय. ह्यो मोर देन 3 प्रोटेस्ट जाले आमचे BCB मुखार. पूण वॉट इज अ सोल्युशन पासून सगळ्याक दिसता तुमकां भाव सोल्युशन कितें? सोल्युशन म्हणल्यार हो जो मिनिस्ट्री आहा ती आमची DCP मिनिस्टर ताका पयलो स्क्रॅप करपा जाय. सेकंडली हो BJP गव्हर्मेंट जो सद्याक आतां इन पावर आहा रुलींग आहा ताका आमी उडोवपा जाय. तेंगेले एक्सपायरी डेट जशें ऑलरेडी आमचे लोकांनी सांगलो आहा, एक्टिविस्ट सांगलो आहा, प्लस आमचे लिडरान सांगलो आहा की थोडे म्हयने उरलो आहाय. हे थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी हो जो डिसिजन जो आमचो आसतलो जी आमची हक्क आहा ती दॅट इज वोटींग रायट. ही वोटींग रायट जी आमकां दिलो आहा ती एक सोल्युशन आहा जे हे गव्हर्मेंटाक भायर मारपा जाय आनी तेन्नाच आमचो गोंय सेव जातलें हांव जाणा. हे म्हणून थँक्यू म्हणून सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं. परत एकदा सगळ्यांक विनंती करता की आनीक 2 मिनटांनीच आमचे शिष्टमंडळ वयर डेलिगेशन वयर गेल्लें आसा ते येवन हांगा ब्रीफ करले वयर कितें जालें तें. जशें आतां सांगलां सगळ्या लोकांनी म्हणजे सगळे उलोवपी जे आसा तेंच्यांनी हांगासर म्हणलेलें आसा की आमच्यो मागण्यो बऱ्यो आसा. फुडले आमची एक्टिविटी कितें जातली तर आमी 15 दिसांची मुदत हांगासर ताका दिवन येयल्ले आसा. आनी त्या उपरांत 39 हो विशय घेवन जे आंदोलन गोंयांत पेटोवंक जाय ते पेटोवपा खातीर इनाफ गोवा हे कटिबद्ध आसतले. हे आमचे प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी त्या वेळार सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी आमकां साथ दिवची अशी विनंती परत एकदा करता. आनी हांव आपयता बाय विना सांजना हांकां की तेणी आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे 39A ह्या विशयाचेर.
पयले सुवातेक हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरें म्हणूंक सोदता की तुमी हिंगा येवन तुमचो मोग दाखयलो की तुमकां गोंयचो मोग आसा. हांव पयलीं न्हू आमचो स्टेट द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इन द कंट्री एंड आमचो स्टेट गोंय
फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर आसलो पयलीं
गोंयांत भितर घालूंक जाता तें आमी चिंतून करूंक जाय. गव्हर्मेंटान आतां हॅज ब्रॉट द ड्रॅकोनियन BCP 39A section which will finish Goa. What is the aim of the government? The government wants to use the fields. Government wants to use the hills for construction, which means we are exposing our state, our small state, to all kinds of perils. On the hills we cannot construct because when you construct on the hills you have to level the ground. When you level the ground, you change the pressure that exists, that keeps everything in place. Now when you cut hills, the upward pressure increases and the downward pressure decreases. This can lead to earthquakes. But does the government bother to think about people? The government is only concerned about how profit and how they can make profit by using all kinds of draconian rules. We cannot allow this. We have to be together. आम्ही एकठांय रावूंक जाय. आमचे गोंय तें आमी गोंयकार आमी म्हणटात ते प्रमाणे गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां आयकूंक जाय. पण गव्हर्मेंटाक गव्हर्मेंटाक गोमोया की आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक जाय पळय तें करूंक दिवचें ना. गोंय जावन आसा आमचें गोंय आमी सांगतले कितें बरें पळय तें. आनी the government has to listen to the voice of the people. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं. हांव ह्या उपरांत विनंती करता सिव्हील असोसिएशनाचे अध्यक्ष हे तांकां आपले विचार व्यक्त करचे 39 हे ह्या विशयाक घेवन.
भाव भयणीनो, आयज हांव तर हांगा उलयतां आनीक हांगा उबो रावन तुमकां सगल्यांक सपोर्ट करपाक येयला जाल्यार एकूच प्रश्नाक लागून कित्याक बाब फेड्डीर रिबेलोन आमकां उलो मारलो म्हूण आनी पयले सुवातेर ताका देव बरें कर म्हणटा की ताणें हो विशय घेतलो 39 हेचो आनी हो इनफ इज इनफ मुवमेंट सुरू केलो म्हूण. आयज पळय गोंयांत आमी पळयता एक लिबरेशन लढाई 70 वर्स पयलीं आमी पुर्तुगीजां कडेन लढाई केली कित्याक आमकां सांगलें की ते गोंयची दुर्दैव करपाचें आहा म्हूण, लुटमार करपा आहा म्हूण. आयज राणे मुखार सरला गोंय काबार करपाक आनी ताका लागून गोंयकारांनी सेकंड लिबरेशन मुवमेंट सुरू केला. आमी जे सगळे एकठांय जाल्यार तांणी आमचो आवाज एकवटान एकजूट रावन वयर पावोवपाक जाय. आयज फकत स्पीकर उलयता, तुमी कोणें आवाज केला फकत स्लोगन घालता तेन्ना जवाब दिता. ओके, सो एक आवाज असो जावपाक जाय सगळेचो. भारताक सगळ्यांनी लागीं येवचें, सगळे माझे गोंयकार भाव भयण्या लागीं आपयता आनी एक आवाजान जबाब दिवपा जाय, आवाज करपा जाय की हे 39 हे आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका, आमकां नाका. एक दो एक दो एक दो एक दो एक दो एक दो. एक न्यू स्लोगन शिकयत तुमकां. म्हणटले सगळे 4 आण्याची सुपारी विश्वजीत राणे भिकारी, 4 आण्याची सुपारी विश्वजीत राणे भिकारी, 4 आण्याची सुपारी 4 आण्याची सुपारी. एक दो.
ही आमची मागणी जी आसा 39 हे स्क्रॅप करपाची ती मान्य करून घेतले हे आमी ठरोवपाक जाय आतां.
So five member group from Enough is Enough, 5-member group has gone and met Chief Town Planner Vantika Lagu. We have given.
कृपया सगळ्यांनी शांतता राखची. हांगासर मायक ना, त्यामुळे जे कितें डॉक्टर क्लॉड आल्वारीस उलयता ते सगळ्यापर्यंत पावचे, अख्ख्या गोंयापर्यंत पावचे. मातशें कृपया सगळ्यांनी शांतता राखची. देव बरें करूं. सर प्लीज.
We spent some time with her. We tried to convince her. We tried to convince her that there was a need right now. Public in Goa is very upset. Nobody is in favor of Section 39A in the state of Goa. It's a amendment to the law which has to be cancelled. To impress on her that the job of the Town and Country Planning Department is a job of experts, people who know, people who do town planning, people who study town planning. Regional plan is prepared by them. The Minister for Town Planning does not have the authority or the competence to decide on zone change. That is the then the Minister can clear it. But today the system is the Minister is telling them to do the zone changes. For whatever reason, you all know for what reasons ministers take decisions. Then the department is only following what the minister says. And we said that this is a very, very serious deviation of the role of the chief town planner and the department. I do not think, and my colleagues also do not think that the department is in agreement with what the minister is doing. But she accepted our suggestion that she will do with the department a technical note, which is our primary demand, to send to the government that 39A should go. Yes. 39A should go. We are very fair to her. We said, you don't have to be yourself convinced, but at least you represent to the government that we have been coming time and again here to protest, and therefore it is time that you write to the government, put up a note saying that 39A is not in the interest of land development of Goa and it should be rusticated, should be cancelled and should be removed from the law. If she does that, she has done her job. I have full confidence that she will do her job and she will write what is to be written. But ultimately, the responsibility for cancelling 39A is only the responsibility of the cabinet. If the cabinet takes a decision, an ordinance can be issued, 39A can be cancelled. If 39A is not cancelled, every voter here in this crowd and every voter in every village is going to vote against the BJP, because that is the feeling of the public, the anger of the public, because 39A is destroying village after village after village in the state of Goa, and this we will not permit. We are well aware also within 3 to 4 months elections will be announced and all 39A will come to a halt, because the government cannot give it once the government's term is over. We are well aware of that, but we still say stop what you are doing, cancel 39A, and then only the public will be happy. Till that time we are not going to sleep. We are going to come here time to time and we are going to harass you and we are going to ask the police to come and we are going to do all this till you stop doing 39A. So please come. Then next, we have given 15 days notice. After 15 days, we will escalate the protest to sacking the minister. Yes. We will ask for the minister to go. Should we do it or not? Yes. We ask the minister. Yes. The minister has got no competence to decide. If the minister is a health minister, does he decide what is whether can he do an operation on the operation table? He is a health minister. He has to rely upon the doctors, they are experts. Similarly, if he also change the regional plan, he has to decide on the expertise of the town planning department. He cannot do it, he has got no power. And that is why I am convinced that all these permissions will go and all will be cancelled. But you keep up the fight and you keep coming whenever we ask you to come. We ask you to come for 1 or 2 hours, please come. And please come with good voice.
बरं करू डॉक्टर या वेळार हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा गोंयच्या सगळ्या न्यूज गोंयकारांक हांगासर उपस्थित जाल्ल्या सगळ्या एक्टिविस्टांचो आवाज आमकां जाय पडटलो आनी लढाय आतां सुरवात जाल्ली आसा कारण जो मिनिस्टर आसा तो सहजासहजी आयकपी न्ही तेजी बॉडी लँग्वेज तुमी पळयता ताका जेन्ना घरा धाडटले पळय तेन्नाच तो ओगी बसतलो